Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Junk Journal January, and this challenge is hosted by Meg of Meg Journals, and we're on prompt number 25, and that is modern. So I'm going with the modern as of like the 50s and 60s. So I hope you're doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, we've had some mighty pretty weather and mighty cold weather. Now, down in the further south than we are, they got snow. It missed us. I'm glad it missed us, but I can't imagine with New Orleans and Florida getting so much snow. It's amazing. All right. Like I said, I'm going to do just a modern collage. Got these bright colors. I thought that would kind of look like a floor or a rug. There's not a whole lot more going on. I wished it was even less because our car messed up. Had to take it to the shop. And a couple $1,000s later, and we're going to have to put off part of it. It just kills me that fixing a car now costs as much as my mom and daddy's car cost them just to buy brand new. Okay, so got the modern couch, got the television. So I think I'm gonna get my TV down. Most of these images I got from Extraordinary Things to Cut and Collage. But now these are stickers. And I left the backing on because they're washi stickers. And when you pull them off, they're kind of see-through. And I didn't really want that. Okay. Now I'm going to put her standing behind the couch. So let me see where. I want her probably right there. I believe this is going to be another fast one. Like I said, I left the backing on there and just trimmed around the white off from around it, so that they would be more opaque and not so transparent. And I've got this stamp that's going to be, let me see if I can lift her up before she settles down too much. Kind of like a painting in the back. I thought the stamp kind of looked modern. Let me get her. And get my sofa down. And I've got her, and she kind of looks like she's sitting. So I'm going to put her on the couch. And I've got my modern light fixture. Have that hanging over the television. All right. I believe I will just give a little bit of shadow. Just to give a little dimension. Doesn't have to be a lot. I'm just going to barely go around it. And get my water brush. I hear my crow friends outside. And I'm just kind of thinking of the light, kind of just a little. All right. I don't think I'll add splatters this time, believe it or not, simply because it's more of a scene than like a collage. I'm gonna put my date there, and I'm gonna call this one done. It was simple. It took way longer to cut out and find these images than it did to do the collage, but I think it turned out to be a cute modern. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care, I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.